$100,000 is the yearly revenue you can make with this exterior cleaning business. I interviewed a top operator in Texas who shared a chemical mixing ratio that cuts work time exactly in half. When he first showed me his real profit margins, I had to stop and just process how high those numbers were. So you only need an initial investment of about $800 to buy your basic commercial gear. With a lean business model, you can fully recover this total setup cost within your first 3 house jobs. Your operational plan focuses on residential driveways, siding, and decks using a low-cost entry strategy. If you want to make your new business highly profitable, then you must exactly follow this execution plan. Now, let us walk through a real-world example where you charge 40 cents per square foot for a driveway. A standard 2-car driveway spans roughly 400 square feet, which equals $160. Then, applying the right technique allows you to complete this entire project in less than 40 minutes. Remember that secret ratio. It requires downstreaming a precise 3% sodium hypochlorite blend. This specific concentration melts away organic mold instantly without using dangerous high-pressure water. By protecting the property surfaces, you secure a 90% profit margin on every single property. To achieve this, you need a 4-gallon per minute washer, professional hoses, and surface cleaners. You also require safety goggles, chemical nozzles, and downstream injectors to complete the equipment list. To simplify your startup, all these required products are tagged in the video in one single full list. You can easily have these essential items added to your shopping cart right now to begin your journey. Now, if you clean just 5 houses every week at an average price of $350 each, your weekly revenue hits $1,750, translating to great annual earnings. That equals $91,000 a year with total fuel and chemical costs under $10,000. An expert secret is to always spray wet the surrounding plants to prevent any chemical burning or damage. Another critical step is taping off outdoor electrical outlets to ensure absolute safety on the job site. Okay, your immediate actionable step is to register a basic limited liability company in your local state. Then print 100 professional flyers and distribute them to residential neighborhoods near you. Finally, secure your first cleaning job this weekend and watch your new business grow rapidly from there.